Register your name very, very fast. Yes? Yeah, right.
I believe Teacher Service Commission and Ministry of Education will enhance and train more teachers so that the pupils, as we go to CPC curriculum, it will be easy for more teachers to teach using the devices. Basically, that's the reason why we are here, and we are going to go across the country, even those remote areas where they don't have power. We want to see that they are using these devices so that every child across the country has an equal opportunity to use the same devices.
Na nitukenete muno todo thirikari ya Uhuru wa Kenyatta nĩcirĩtie visionary leadership, futuristic. Todo the future is information age. Mundu ari yandikage gwake nyumba. Koguo niturakena ni kwa ciana citu nĩitikĩte technology wega na